Welcome to Kurt's Home Living. I'll be making a quick chicken and rice soup from items found in the refrigerator. Welcome. Every week, a day before garbage day, I clean out the refrigerator and I make a soup. For this week I found some green peas and green beans, some risotto rice and some regular rice, some sauteed onions, carrots, and celery that was in some gravy for baked chicken, and chicken. I took the chicken off the bone, and now I'm going to put the bone in my already boiling water to get some flavor. I'm going to take about a teaspoon of this chicken flavored base, or whatever you use for your flavoring, whether it's bouillon cubes, base, or whatever you use. We're going to get that going just to get some flavor in this broth. This stuff is already cooked, so we don't have to put this in right away. We're going to put that in at the last minute. We want to create our flavor over here. Just get some of this marrow out of this bone, and it's not going to boil for that long. Then we're going to take the bones and skin out and try to keep the meat in. I'm only making this for 2 people, so I don't need that much. Let's get a taste on this. Dab my spoon off of my bleach water here. I say we're going to add a little bit of salt in here, a little bit of pepper, and I'm also going to add a little bit of garlic powder to this, and celery seed. I love celery seed. If you don't like celery, but you like the flavor, if that makes any sense, keep you some celery seed in your cabinet. Find it. Okay, here we go. Celery seed and garlic. Yeah, a little more ain't gonna hurt. I've already put it in. I'm just gonna let that go until we get the flavor. I'd say about 7 minutes. We're gonna boil this to 8 minutes. Making sure we break our bones and get all the stuff, the good stuff out of them. This is the neck, the back, little piece of wing. A little bit of breastbone as well. We're going to let that go for about 8 minutes. While I'm waiting on this broth to finish up, I'm going to go ahead and rough chop this stuff right here. Carrot, celery, and onion. I don't even think I'm going to use all this onion. And it also has the gravy mixed in it, which will help thicken up the soup and add more flavor. Chop up whether I use it all or not. Put it back in there. I'm also going to do a rough chop on our green beans. Wipe this gravy off of here. I'm gonna do a rough chop on these green beans. That's good. I also kept some of the green bean juice in here. That added some more flavor. Okay, I'm pretty sure our bones are ready to come out of here. There's a lot of marrow and flavor in bones. That's why they sell soup bones. The marrow adds a lot of flavor. All the nooks and crannies in those rib bones, rib from the breastbone, adds flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add our stuff in here. Like I said, everything here is done, so it doesn't have to stay in that long. The soup will be done in a minute. We already got our flavors from our broth. Allow this to come to a boil. We'll have a simple chicken and rice soup made from items I found in the refrigerator on garbage time. Alright, our soup's about done. Got my bowl here. Let's give it one last turn. And here we go. A quick chicken and rice soup with a couple bones still in it, I see. You have to make sure you get all the bones out, or you have to alert the people who's eating it that be careful with bones. As long as you get all the bones out, you don't have to alert anyone. But here's our homemade chicken and rice soup from leftover chicken and items that were in the refrigerator. You get your carrots, your green beans, your peas, your onions, your celery, and your chicken. Thanks for watching. Refrigerator soup varies depending on what you have in your refrigerator. This soup only took 10 minutes to cook because everything was already done. And here you have it. Delicious, hot chicken and rice soup on a cold day. Thanks for watching Kurt's Home Living. Stay tuned for more refrigerator soup videos.